Hey friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find all your Google Saves and collections on your iPhone. So you want to go ahead and open up Google on your iPhone and you want to go ahead and click your account on the upper right hand side. Here you'll find the Saves and Collections. You can tap on that. And so from here, you'll be able to find your collections. For example, I have a collections right here that's called Barca. And so this is a collection with one item inside. And of course, you can see that I also have the saves as well. You see all saves item, you can find that as well. So this is where you can easily find your saves and collections on your iPhone. Now, if you don't know how to get Google on your iPhone, you can easily go ahead and open up the App Store. And while in the App Store, you can go ahead and you can search for Google. So you might see yours look like this. Just use the search at the bottom and you can type in Google. Hit search. You'll find a lot of Google apps. And so as you can see, I have the Google more ways to search. And so you want to install that on your phone, this option right here. I'm going to tap on it. You want to install this on your phone. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.